Okay, so for those new to Amazon SEO, can you explain why it is different from SEO on other platforms like Google?
So SEO on Amazon is very similar in many ways. The It's a quality score, and Google uses a quality score. But what we'll call the one on Amazon is more of a ranking score, and there's no backlinks. But
Exactly.
the formula is generally the same. It's going to be performance times relevancy. So if you have your performance, it's made up of click-through rate, conversion rate, and revenue. And then on the other side, you have your relevancy score. So every performance is multiplied by a relevancy, the relevancy of the keyword to your product. Now, this is factored by two different ways. One is the way you write your listing. The other is the subcategory that your product is in, because different subcategories have maps of keywords that are indexed for those subcategories. And so if you're
Exactly.
selling a dog bowl, you cannot rank for dog food, because dog food keyword is for dog food subcategory, and your dog bowl does not fit, so you will be blocked because Amazon wants relevant products showing up. So relevancy is super important. But if I'm selling a dog bowl and I don't write dog bowl in my listing, if I only wrote bowl for dogs, I do not unlock maximum relevancy, and I might not be able to rank for dog bowl. So relevancy is very important towards unlocking rank and SEO, but SEO is performance times relevancy.
Okay, so if someone want to get more and more sales and more ranking, so they should have to focus on relevant keyword and relevant category,
And
right?
writing your listing to maximize relevancy.
Okay, that's great.